Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do glowing text effect in your Premiere Pro. So right now you can see this is my text, and once I select it I will go to essential graphics and you can adjust according to your requirement. Now what you have to do, now you have to go to the effects panel here, and here you have to type alpha glow, right? And you will find the option of alpha glow. Click and hold and drag it to your text clip here. You can see there has been slightly different change, there has been slightly a glow, but I want to make it more better. So now what I will do, I will just copy this clip. So you can just copy, there is a shortcut alt and you can just move upwards, and this is how you can just make a copy. Now you have to select the lower clip here. As you can see here, I've selected my lower clip, and here you have to type for Gaussian blur, right? If you're not able to find this blur, you can also use a different blur, but I will suggest you use a Gaussian blur. Just click and hold and drag it to your bottom clip here. Now once I have dragged my bottom clip, I will just close my essential graphics here tab, and here you will, in the effect control, you will find this option of Gaussian blur, right? Let me show you. So this is my Gaussian blur, right? And here in the Gaussian blur I will increase up to 1000, right? And here into this glow I will adjust depending upon my requirement, as well as in the brightness. Here you will see a color of, you can see start color and color, you can also change that. Now you have to select your second clip here, and here you have to increase the glow effect depending upon your requirement, right? For example, I will just put here 40, and here in the brightness I can just decrease a little bit down. And for example, I can also change the color. If I just want to red, I can just increase a red here and it will make a change, right? In this way I can just make some of the changes. I hope you found this video very useful.